Hi, Jamie here from the Law Office of Jamie Mitchell. This month we are focusing on financially preparing for your divorce. We know that getting ready for your divorce is a really stressful time, so we're just going to try to give you all the information that you need to be as well prepared as possible. One of the questions we get a lot is, what documents do I need to get this started? So here are just a few things that we find helpful to bring in with you to your first appointment. The first thing, and this is a document that's required in every single court case, so it's good to start on it right away. The first thing is a financial affidavit, and we're going to put a link to that in our comments so you can download that and get started on it right away. It is created by the Illinois Supreme Court, and it asks for all of your monthly income, expenses, assets, and debts, so it gives us a great overview of how much you make, what you owe, and what you have. The next thing is tax returns. If you only have 1 year, that's okay, but 3 years is even better. And with those tax returns, we want your federal return, all of your state returns, and all of the attachments, so the W-2s, 1099s, Schedule Cs, K-1s, anything that's attached, we want to have it. Your pay stubs. If you only have your most recent pay stub, that's fine. And if you're a salaried employee, one pay stub is probably sufficient. If you receive commissions or bonuses, or if you're paid hourly, we like to have at least 5, but even a year's worth is even better. And as your case goes along, just save them as you get new ones and bring those in. The next thing you want to do is get a snapshot of all of your assets and all of your debts so that we can make sure that you keep what you have and that nobody's racking up a lot of new debt. So get copies of your most recent bank statements for all your checking accounts and all your savings accounts and any other accounts you might have, like mutual funds. You want to take a look at your retirement accounts, and if you have access to your spouse's retirement accounts or you have statements laying around, just grab a copy of those so that we have those. But don't log into their online account, don't take their mail and open it, just whatever you have permission to access. You want to look at any other investments you may have. So if you have stocks, CDs, bonds, anything like that, just grab a copy of those documents, take a screenshot on your phone, whatever you can get. The final thing is your debts. We want to make sure nobody's racking up a bunch of unnecessary debts. So get a look at all of the credit card statements, get copies of those, print them out, and then grab a copy of your credit report. You want to make sure there's nothing on there that you don't know about, that the other party hasn't opened an account in your name that you're not aware of, and sometimes we forget about things. So we want to take a look at that credit report so we can make sure that we're addressing all of those issues. If you're able to get all of these things together, your divorce is going to be off to a great start. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, an email, or even shoot us a DM, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks.